Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv. Today we're taking a closer look at the Kenmore DS4095 Brushless Cordless Stick Vacuum, a versatile, lightweight powerhouse designed to tackle everything from pet hair to everyday messes across multiple floor types. Whether you're a pet owner or just need something to handle your floors and upholstery with ease, this vacuum promises to make cleaning easier than ever. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The Kenmore DS4095 is a cordless stick vacuum that weighs in at under 6 pounds, making it super lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for those tight spots or above-floor cleaning tasks. It features an impressive 250 watts brushless motor that generates 17 kph suction power in turbo mode, so you know it's ready to handle dirt, dust, and pet hair from hardwood floors to carpets. The 2-speed power control is a standout, giving you the flexibility to choose between the low setting for lighter cleanups and the high setting for more intense suction when needed. That makes it ideal for everything from quick touch-ups to deeper cleans. Now, let's talk features. The DS4095 comes with an easy-to-use EasyReach Wand, which allows you to flex the wand with the push of a button, making cleaning underneath furniture or along baseboards much simpler. You won't have to strain or awkwardly maneuver the vacuum to get to those tricky spots. Additionally, the extra-large dust cup means less time spent emptying the vacuum, so you can clean larger areas without interruption. This vacuum also includes a HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of dust particles, pet dander, and pollen down to 0.3 microns, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers or anyone looking to keep their home as clean and allergen-free as possible. The runtime on this model is up to 40 minutes, which should be more than enough for most tasks, whether you're vacuuming hardwood floors, carpets, or even upholstery. Plus, the LED battery status meter keeps you informed about the battery life, motor speed, and charge level, so you'll never be caught off guard mid-clean. In real-world testing, I found the Kenmore DS4095 pretty easy to assemble and start using right out of the box. Setting it up is as simple as snapping the wand into place and charging the battery. The suction on both low and high settings is strong enough to tackle light dusting on hardwood and tough messes on carpets without any noticeable drop in power. In fact, the turbo mode did a great job lifting embedded pet hair from rugs. On hardwood, it glided effortlessly across the floor, picking up dust and debris with ease, and the EasyReach Wand made cleaning under the couch a breeze. The noise levels were fairly reasonable for a stick vacuum, with a bit more hum on the higher setting, but nothing overwhelming. Where the Kenmore DS4095 shines is its versatility. You can easily convert it into a handheld vacuum, which was super handy for cleaning furniture, upholstery, and even car interiors. The lightweight design means it's easy to carry around, whether you're cleaning the stairs or moving from one room to the next. However, I did notice that the dust cup, while large, could get a bit awkward to empty. It's not a huge deal, but requires a bit more effort compared to models with a more straightforward dustbin design. One downside is that the suction can drop off a bit in high power mode as the battery drains. While the 40-minute runtime is generous, you may find the suction power tapering off as you get closer to the 20-minute mark in turbo mode. This isn't uncommon in cordless vacuums, but it's something to consider if you're looking for consistent suction from start to finish. So what's great about the Kenmore DS4095? Its lightweight design is perfect for anyone who struggles with heavier models, especially when it comes to above-floor cleaning or stairs. The EasyReach Wand is incredibly useful, and the suction power is more than enough for everyday cleaning tasks across various surfaces. The HEPA filtration is another standout feature, making it a solid choice for allergy sufferers or pet owners. However, the battery life and dust cup emptying might be a deal breaker for those with larger spaces or bigger messes. In terms of value for money, the Kenmore DS4095 hits a sweet spot for people who want a lightweight, versatile vacuum that performs well across multiple surfaces. At its price point, it competes well with other stick vacuums that offer similar features, but with the added bonus of the HEPA filtration and the extra-large dust cup. While it's not the best option for someone looking for heavy-duty cleaning power or ultra-long runtimes, It offers great performance for quick, everyday cleaning tasks in smaller to medium-sized homes. If you're considering alternatives, there are a couple of vacuums in the same category worth checking out. The Dyson V8 Cordless Stick Vacuum, for instance, offers similar suction power and runtime, but with a slightly higher price tag. The Bissell Icon Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum is another option, which comes with features tailored for pet owners, including a specialized pet tool. Both of these competitors are worth considering if you're willing to spend a bit more for extra power or additional pet-friendly features. When it comes to build quality, the Kenmore DS4095 feels solid for a stick vacuum, with durable plastic and a comfortable grip. The components are easy to click together, and the wand feels sturdy without being heavy. Maintenance is straightforward too. Clearing hair from the brush roll and cleaning the HEPA filter is simple enough. If you're someone who likes to keep your vacuum in top shape, this model makes that task relatively easy. In terms of long-term reliability, Kenmore has a strong reputation for durability, and the DS4095 seems built to last. The brushless motor is designed to be more efficient and longer-lasting than older models with traditional motors, so you can expect it to hold up well over time. Though, as always, battery degradation is a concern with any cordless model. Overall, the Kenmore DS4095 is a solid, well-rounded option for people who need a lightweight, versatile vacuum for everyday cleaning tasks. It's particularly great for those with smaller spaces, pet owners, or anyone looking for a hassle-free vacuum with good suction power and a thoughtful design. If you're someone who needs a vacuum that handles large areas or deep cleans frequently, you might want to look at alternatives with longer runtimes or more powerful suction. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to this vacuum in the comments box below. If you already own the Kenmore DS4095 or have any questions about its performance, feel free to drop a comment and share your thoughts. Until next time, happy cleaning and goodbye from Reviews Inside TV.